Go.
My name is Maria Clara Ashikanya, student here in Southwestern University of Manila, and I'm going to assess for abdomen. First, we're going to identify the patient. So, ma'am, may I have your name and birthday, please?
Si Principal, July 13, 2005.
Next, we're going to explain the procedure. So, ma'am, this procedure will help us assess if you have any abnormalities in your abdomen. And if so, we're going to prevent it from worsening. Next is we're going to perform hand hygiene. Then, help the patient adjust if needed and provide patient gown. Next is we're going to assist the patient into a supine position with the abdomen exposed and ensure privacy. Next is we're going to inspect for the patient's abdomen's color, contour, position, and the umbilicus, and other surface characteristics. Next is I'm going to auscultate for vowel sounds by using the diaphragm of the stethoscope, starting in the right upper quadrant, left upper quadrant, left lower quadrant, and right lower quadrant. Next is I'm going to auscultate for vascular sounds by using the bell of the stethoscope and with the same procedure. Next is I'm going to percuss for 2 minutes. Next is I'm going to ask the patient if they feel any pain in any particular areas. So, ma'am, do you feel any pain in any particular areas?
No.
Next is I'm going to lightly palpate and deeply palpate the patient's abdomen. So first we're going to do it lightly. Then deeply. And if the patient feels any pain in any particular areas, we're going to palpate that lastly. Now we're going to palpate the patient's kidney within the same area of the abdomen, in each side of the abdomen. Next, I'm going to palpate for the patient's liver at the right costal border. Then, palpate for the patient's spleen at the left costal border. Next is I'm going to assess for rebound tenderness. Then, palpate and auscultate the patient's femoral pulse in the groin. After the procedure is I'm going to assist the patient into wearing properly her clothes. Then assist the patient into a comfortable position. Then perform hand hygiene and document